Hey guys, so I'm here again. Welcome back. Dahil I think 1 week na ako dito sa village, so meron pa akong canvas. So I have to use this one. Favorite ko talaga yung black na background. Baka this will be my last painting na nandito ako nakatira sa MIC Village. I'll be returning back to Jabel. Hi Jabel. For almost 2 months, naulang ulit ako mag-painting. Sa taas naman.